If your gumlin has pulled away from your teeth, leaving more of the roots exposed, don't panic. Receding gums can be reversed if caught early. In this video, I'll share 5 powerful home remedies to help regrow gum tissue fast. With consistent use, you can stop and even reverse gum recession. Gum recession is when the margin of gum tissue that surrounds the teeth wears away, exposing more of the tooth and root surface. This can be caused by periodontal disease, aggressive brushing, poor oral hygiene, smoking, genetics, hormonal changes, and grinding or clenching teeth. Over time, receding gums can lead to sensitivity, decay, and eventual loose teeth. The good news is, there are natural ways to treat and regrow receding gums right from the comfort of your own home. Oil pulling with coconut oil. Swishing a tablespoon of organic virgin coconut oil in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes each day can work wonders for receding gums. The anti-inflammatory lauric acid fights infection while gently cleansing the oral cavity. Be sure to spit out the coconut oil and rinse well after. Green tea mouth rinse. Antioxidant catechins in green tea have been clinically shown to reduce gum inflammation and encourage soft tissue regrowth. Brew a strong cup of organic green tea, let it cool, and rinse your mouth for a full minute 2 to 3 times daily. Aloe vera gel. Fresh gel from the aloe vera leaf contains enzymes, vitamins, and polysaccharides that enhance collagen formation and regrow gum tissue. Apply a small amount of fresh aloe gel directly to receded areas and massage gently for 30 seconds. Rinse well afterward. Vitamin C supplementation. Vitamin C is integral for gum health and healing. Take 500 to 1000 milligrams vitamin C supplement daily to increase collagen production and strengthen blood vessels. Also eat vitamin C rich foods like oranges, peppers, strawberries. Clove oil application. Clove oil's antimicrobial properties kill bad oral bacteria while numbing gum pain. Dip a clean cotton swab in clove oil and gently dab directly on the gumlin. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Use this 1 to 2 times daily. Conclusion: using these all-natural remedies consistently can stimulate tissue growth, reduce inflammation, fight infection, and help regrow receding gums. However, if you don't see improvement in 4 to 6 weeks, visit your dentist to address any underlying issues. Combining these home remedies with proper oral hygiene will get your gums healthy and smiling again.